Hey guys, Sarah here, Bronx here, Josie here, Harley's here too. Today we're going to be doing our Allure beauty box unboxing. This box is $15 a month. You get free shipping with that. You get full and travel sized products valued at $50 to $90. New members get a bonus gift. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So when you open up the box, it looks just like this. It has this little pamphlet right here that I think tells you everything that we're getting in here. It does not tell you the values, so I will go ahead and put those down below, and I will also put whether something is cruelty-free if I do not know at the current moment. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is some sort of coupon or something. $30 off your next order from bretawatch.com. I've never heard of this, so, and I'm not in need of a watch, but there's that. First thing I'm gonna count as one thing. So this is a shampoo and conditioner by Nexxus. So this is Repair, I think. Damage healing shampoo and conditioner with protein fusion with keratin, protein, and black rice. I am not sure if this is cruelty free, but I definitely don't need any more shampoo, so I probably won't put this in a giveaway just because I don't think there's a safety seal. No. It smells pretty nice. So I will just probably give this to a friend. I have to use like a purple shampoo to keep my hair looking blonde, so this is going to be a no for me, but I have lots of friends with hair who can have it, so there's that. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is from LaRitzy Cosmetics. It's called Light Sticks Illuminator. This brand is cruelty-free. So let's go ahead and see what this is. So basically this is a highlight stick right here, and it's in the shade Halo. So it's just like almost like a champagne kind of color. It looks really nice. I don't need any more highlighters. I have way too many for somebody who does not highlight that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back in here and put this into a giveaway. I do like this brand though, so I just don't really need this right now. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I am seeing is from Caudalie. So this is a cream sorbet moisturizing. I think it's just like a face lotion. I have gotten this before in, I want to say in Ipsy, but I don't know if it's cruelty free. Let's go ahead and sniff it out. It doesn't really have too strong of a scent. I don't know, just a little face lotion. Not real excited about it, but not mad about it either. So there's that. Okay, the next thing I am seeing is from Eyeko. It is a liquid eyeliner in black. So this is the skinny version, it says. It's precise smudge proof. This brand is cruelty free. I want to say I've tried this before, but it was a sample size, and this is for sure a full size. It's just got like the felt tip. I'll go ahead and swatch. I'm going to swatch on my hand that I didn't rub lotion on so we can get a true. So I'm kind of doing a couple so you can see how thin you can get it. Doing this with my left hand was not smart. So there's just like three, so you can kind of see, like, you can go thick, you can go middle of the road right there, or you can go thin. So yeah, and it's really, really dark black. It looks like it dries down matte. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. There's that. Okay, the last thing I have in here is from Laneige. I can't read things that aren't English. It is a lip sleeping mask. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free. Oh my, I cannot open any boxes. I got these stupid gel nails done and they like make using your fingers impossible. Okay, so when you This kills me. So you take it out and it looks, oh, that looks like a pretty good size sample, right? And then you look underneath, can you see this? It's like the tiniest sample. It doesn't even go to the bottom of the, oh, I hate that. I mean, it's still decent size, but. Just gonna sniff it. It does smell nice. I can't figure out what the scent is, but to me it's like a lip balm that you just wear overnight. I don't know why they're calling it a mask for your lips, which I guess is what a lip balm is, but I don't know if it's cruelty free, so I will do the research for that. But yeah. So overall, honestly, this was probably my least favorite Allure beauty box. I mean, I know that this brand of shampoo and conditioner is like super, super expensive. It's like $20 a bottle, which is pretty pricey. But I'm just not excited about this. I don't know. Shampoo and conditioner, I mean, like, I don't know. Not my favorite thing to get into a box. The highlighter stick was good. It's just, I'm personally not in the market for any more highlighters. I have way too many. This is okay. Meh. The eyeliner was probably my favorite thing just because it's something I use on a daily basis, and I like this a lot, so I know I will use it. And then the lip mask was just, it's a lip gloss, balm, whatever. Not anything too special overall. So yeah, what did you guys think of the box? Did you guys think it was worth the $15? Who knows? All right, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.